Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to change username in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a username in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app on your phone guys, you land on this interface. And now in order to proceed to change your name in Picsart, tap on the profile or the person icon available at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see there is a person icon available for us. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner and you land over here guys. Now again in this panel guys, at the top left corner you can see the pin icon available for us. Tap on the pin icon at the top left corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see guys your current username is available for us. Now in order to change your username, simply tap over there where it says your username and enter the username of your choice, whichever may it be. And after entering a username guys, you'll not be required to save it or do something else. Just go back and your username will be changed in a moment. So it will take some time to load, but guys it has been changed and it will be saved just like this. And you can see guys the username has been changed. And guys, this is how to change username in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.